Hello there.
Hello over there.
What's going on today then?
We are recording in two different places at once.
What about the mics?
Yes, we are using both shotgun mics and lavalier mics.
That seems a bit complicated.
Not really, it's just showing that we are comfortable around technology that know about technology and know how to use it.
So that must mean we're recording single and double systems simultaneously.
I reckon that's right, and it will be a challenge to sync things up and edit.
Oh well.
Yes, oh well. You hide behind me.